Okay, so this is our order from Weee. It is a, so we got the specialty buns.
Baby got buns.
Oh, we got two of them. Okay. And we have the pie. That is the bag that it comes in. It has
It's a little papa. I mean, check it out.
the ice pack?
It's ice pack.
Yeah.
How's it running?
The ice pack.
Oh, look at the ice pack.
The ice pack. This is where our frozen stuff comes in.
Nice. It's cold too.
And it's still frozen solid.
Yeah, frozen solid.
Again, this is from Weee. Weee! Yeah, oh, okay, so here's another pack. I think it might be another frozen thing that we might have gotten. Oh no, it's not frozen, but it's got a frozen pack in it. This is the strawberry aloe drink that we decided to get and try. Yay. I will say
I
off...
don't know why she's screaming.
I'm sorry.
I asked her, we have no idea.
I'm sorry. I will say off the bat, that is...
That's the only thing came in it?
That's it?
Yes, which is what I'm about to say. That is the one thing that came in there. Hold on.
Wait a minute. That drink came in that box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
You guys have to say about that?
That was a goddamn weird.
Okay. Alright, here is the rest of the stuff that we got. So yeah, we got the peach Oreo cookie.
Yeah, you record that, dude.
Okay.
Keep it up there. Keep it up there.
The custard cake, the peach Oreo cookies. Ooh.
This is how you unload the box.
Sorry, we're gonna unload the box
The right way.
the right way.
One eternity later.
So, this is everything we got. We got the coconut flavored sunflower seeds. Yes, you heard that right. Coconut flavored sunflower seeds. We got the tapioca pearls.
Tapioca pudding pearls. Yeah, that look good, don't it? Mmm, can't wait to get that. Look at that. Look
That
at
looks really good.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look like ice cream with dookie in it.
Ew.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Custard. Ooh.
So these are peach flavored
Peach flavored Oreo.
Oreos.
Ooh.
You do see that right? It says milk and yogurt flavor.
Ooh,
It is
that's
a
beautiful.
soda, so it's carbonated.
Soda milk. Milk soda. Soda milk. Ooh.
These are cheesecakes. Japanese cheesecake.
Look at that. Oh my gosh, yeah.
Okay, so this right here is caramel,
Tasty and crispy.
caramel flavored.
Caramel flavored.
They are packed tight in here, by the way.
Yeah,
It's like
it's like
airtight.
a brick.
I'm not mad about it at all.
It smells like
If you
beef
throw that,
jerky.
yeah, if you throw that at somebody, they hurt. Okay, this is
Cardamom flavor. Almond and cardamom. Almond and cardamom. What that is?
This is a milk drink. It's a dairy drink. It's a milk drink. But we're gonna have to try that out. We got the coconut pie.
Coconut pie.
I've never seen coconut pie before. Look like this, so this is gonna be interesting.
Yeah, me neither.
It's not very big.
I can't wait to open these up.
Yeah,
These got custard in them.
I didn't know we got two of them, but okay.
Yep.
And then
Oh yeah, yeah.
So this is like the normal aloe drink that we be getting, but we've never had. Oh, it's got a touch of honey in it.
Hey, we got a 6-pack of these. Look.
Yeah, it's a six. No, it's not the same.
Oh,
This
the
is
melon.
lemon flavor.
That's a melon soda. Okay.
Yay! Whee! We will come back and tell you guys how each one tastes as we taste them.
Right. That's what she said.